Welcome to another episode of Torque Talk. I'm Caesar, and today we're going to talk about fusion forged wheels, including how they're made and the benefits they provide. So let's jump right in and start talking about fusion forged wheels and how they're manufactured using a method called friction stir welding. Unlike the traditional welding process that uses heat to melt materials to form a joint, friction stir welding uses friction to join the pieces together. Fusion forged wheels use this technology to join a cast aluminum center to a forged aluminum barrel. The process uses a tool resembling a drill bit that contains a pen and a shoulder. The pen is inserted in between the two parts to be joined, and it spins while the shoulder makes contact with both edges as it moves along the material. The friction caused by the spinning tool heats the atoms in the solid material, making them move around or diffuse. The metals become deformed and atoms from both parts are bonded together, all without any melting. Alright, so that's some crazy science stuff used to make wheels, right? So why not just use the traditional welding process and melt the components together like it's always been done? Well, there are some reasons for that. Not only is the weld stronger due to the joint being made at a molecular level, but the fact that heat isn't used means you can now join painted and chrome parts which typically can't withstand the heat of traditional welding. This means consumers had finish options previously not available with most two-piece wheels. And using the friction stir welding process allows for spoke designs that float above the lip. In short, friction stir welding enables complex designs, deep concave profiles, and premium two-tone finishes. Another benefit of fusion forged wheels is their strength. The forging process to make the barrel uses extreme heat and pressure, which realigns the molecules, making it stronger and lighter than cast aluminum. So there we go again with more science stuff and molecules, but it's important to know that although the barrel's lighter than cast material, it's stronger due to the forging process. Even with the lighter barrel, fusion forged wheels meet or exceed SAE standards for load capacity. Now let's talk about the reduced weight compared to cast wheels. As I just mentioned, the forged barrel reduces weight, yet it maintains superior strength. This lighter weight translates into improved acceleration, enhanced braking, and better handling. Not to mention, less weight helps improve fuel economy compared to heavier cast wheels. And finally, a lighter weight wheel means less unsprung weight, which puts less strain on your suspension components. I hope this episode helped you understand how fusion forged wheels are made and the benefits involved with utilizing friction stir welding. Thanks for taking a moment to let me talk about fusion forged wheels, and I hope to see you again soon for another episode of Torque Talk. See you then.